Hello and welcome back to another video with SPACETATUM Space Tatum. I'm here. I'm living good. I'm living swell. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but let me tell you, today's video is just a little bit different. Today we're gonna go over a little bit of coding in a language that is kind of tough, especially on some college students. So I took C++ my freshman year, no, sophomore year of college. And out of 40 students, 7 of us passed. So it was a real big accomplishment. And today I get the honor to teach y'all little skills about what I know with C++. And today's video, it's going to be just going over the basics, just about 2 programs we're going to go over, and I'm gonna make sure that you get it and make sure that you have the information and make sure that the information sticks. Hey, welcome to the video. Now let's go to the compiler. Hello and welcome. We're here at the compiler. If you don't know how to get to the compiler, you can do like I did. I typed in C++ compiler, or you can do free C++ compiler online. And so at your compiler, once you get here, I'm using online C++ compiler. It's online GDB. It has Java. It has every programming language. So what you want to do is when you get here, come over here, C++, and you can. So if you want to save this project and save this what we're doing today, what you're gonna do is go to create new projects, or you're gonna have to sign in, create an account, and then you can create a new project, and then select language C++. It switches automatically. So here's my project. You come over here, new file. It usually lets you click on this to change the name, but I guess it's not because it's C++. Java, it usually allows you. So today's program, let's see, what should we do? Something easy. Let's just do two numbers. Write a program, a C++ program to read 2 numbers, and we're gonna display them. So write a C program to read 2 numbers and display the 2 numbers. So whenever you look at these questions and whenever you're in the class and your instructor gives you a problem and they usually like this: write a C++ program to read 2 numbers, display the 2 numbers, or it asks for more. So whenever you first reading the program, the program, what you want to do is look at everything inside of this. So I'm looking at read 2 numbers and display the 2 numbers. So first off, out of my mind, I'm thinking of C out and C in. That means character out and character in. If you didn't know, you should know that if you're even looking at the video. So let's just try to use the regular. So C out, hello world. Let's see what the output gives us. Hello world. It's all it's giving us, because this is what we're telling the user to say. So let's come back over here. So write a C++ program to read 2 numbers and read. Oh wait, write a C++ program to read 2 numbers and display the 2 numbers. I did not to read 2 numbers and display the 2 numbers. I'm so sorry about that. So usually, if this program was asking us to do anything with like typing in the alphabet, we would use hashtag include string. But since we're not doing that, we do not have to add the hashtag less than string greater than string. Yeah, so we have all this. We have our integer main. So this is our main function. This is what everything goes through. You see how it has one curly bracket to open it and one closing curly bracket to close it, and in return 0. That ends the whole program. You cannot write anything after that, or it will not run in C++. Or unless you're using like functions, but we'll learn about that later on. So first off, we have a program to read 2 numbers. So we can go ahead and So if we're talking to the user, you want to sound somewhat professional to your user because you wouldn't want the user just put two numbers. No, so you're gonna have to remember you always have to add the quotes every time, or it will not run. The quotes allow you to say what you want to say without it flagging it for error. So let's see. Enter first number. In all statements, all statements end with a semicolon. I can't express it enough. All statements must end with a semicolon. Okay. So then C out, which we can say character out, and then we come back with character in, the character input, C in. Less than, less than. Spaced out. I need to space myself out. And then we can say, so here's where we create our variables. Our variables are what we're going to, or what the user is supposed to say, and they have to say exactly what the variable is, or it's incorrect. So we come here under integer main. Move this curly bracket. This is where you put all your variables. Right here under integer main. So you can call the first number anything. You can call it A, B, C, D, 2, anything you want to say, toolbox, anything you want to do. But to make it easy today, I'm gonna go ahead and do it easy. So you want to start off with a keyword. We have a lot of keywords such as integer, which is int, and all the keywords highlight. So int is a keyword. We have what's another one? Bool is a keyword. Let's see, char is a keyword. Double is a keyword. All these are keywords. So we have int. We can say int. Let's do a. Int a is number one. That's the answer for number one. And then, so it says two numbers. So we might as well go ahead and knock out the other number as well. So we have int b, semicolon. Like I say, every statement must end with a semicolon. I can't express it enough. All right, so CN. Let's see what CN says. So CN, what was the first one that we said? INTA. So the first answer is, the first number is A, semicolon. And we're gonna space this out, and we do the same thing for the second number. So CL, or you could just literally copy, paste, change this from A to B, change this from enter first number, enter second number, and then so we have the program pretty much done when it says write a C++ program to read two numbers. Let's see if we can run it. Enter first number 2, enter second number 4. But yeah, that was weird. 2, 4. So yeah, so that was what was supposed to happen. The program ran. So if you look more, it says and display the two numbers. So how you display is, you remember how we use C out, and C out told us to enter the first number with the colon. We do the same thing just to display it. So C out, you go under here, C out, less than, less than, and then I put next line. Next line allows it to space out. So you see how enter first line, number 2, enter second line, it's all bunched up. It allows it to space out. So let's see what we do whenever it adds next line. So we're gonna say first number is dot 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 colon, and we do it again. It's not going to do anything. We can say A because that's the number. That's the answer. That's the answer to the problem. And then end L. End L. And all end L means is end of line. That's all end L means. End of line. That's all. And then semicolon after that. So I don't know why this is right here. Ain't the first number, yeah. And then we do the same thing for the second one, just like how we did the other one. So you can either copy and paste, or you can take the time and you can do it yourself and type it out. But just make sure whenever you're typing out, everything you type is correct and has to be the perfect syntax. Because C++, it is case sensitive, so things can capital letters do matter. That's all I'm saying. Mhm. So here is where we and then let's see, right here we have our variables. A and B is our variables. So yeah, let's run it. Enter first number 4, enter second number 8. First number is 4, second number is 8. And do you see how when I use next line, it calls it to separate? Hey man, that's that magic, man. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, if you enjoyed the video and you would like more coding tutorials, please hit that comment, hit the bell, post notifications.